Hello and welcome back to the series. Today we're gonna talk about I/O or input and output using the Dart programming language. First, if you want to use this function, you need to import the library Dart.io. And let's try to create function main like what we usually do. Create some print to make the user to easy understand what will the program do. For the example, we can type here on the print with who are you, and then type string because we want to import string value equal std.readline sign. After that, just type print and input which one the variable you're gonna print. In this case, I'm gonna print the name variable so we can see if our name was already input to the program. And if we run the program, the console will need your name to input the process and show your name on the print. But how if you want to input the integers? You just can simply change the data type for the readline strings and editing the parse, and that will print the integers value. But also you can do the std out for do the print. If you do print, you will see the same result. Thank you very much for coming and see you in the next topic.